Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix small keyboard problem. So, an Android keyboard is a virtual or physical input tool that lets user type text, numbers, and symbol into their device. But what if your keyboard is small, turns out like this, you can see, and you don't know how to fix it? You have no idea how to fix this. You want to resize your keyboard. It's very simple, don't worry. So first, you can see in here on your keyboard, there's like uh, this icon, like tools icon in here, like for box. You can just select on that, and there is an option floating. Your floating keyboard is on, so your keyboard turns into this small. So you can just turn this off by tap on this, and now your keyboard is on a normal size. And anytime if you want to resize again, you can tap on that icon again. There's an option resize. You can make it more smaller or bigger like this, like this. It's up to you. It's very simple, right? Don't forget to select on done. So you have resize your uh, keyboard. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix your keyboard problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.